Parallels Desktop, the #1 choice of Mac users to run Windows on Mac. Windows applications run effortlessly. Experience as much or as little Windows as you want. Windows and Mac applications side by side. Parallels Desktop is seamless and fast, no rebooting required. Share files and folders, swipe, copy and paste images and text, drag and drop files. Launch your Windows apps right from the dock. It's simple to get started and easy to use. Get Windows up and running in minutes. And Boot Camp is supported too. Plus, you can use the touch bar with Windows and connect your USB devices. You can also print from Windows with no additional setup required. Mac OS keyboard shortcuts work in Windows automatically. Whether you need to run a Windows program, making the switch from a PC, develop or test, game, or just looking for the ultimate flexibility without having to restart, you're completely covered with Parallels Desktop for Mac. Fast, powerful, and easy.